Hi everyone, Mark here from Cycle Retreats. Whilst we're stuck in lockdown, I thought I'd bring to you a few maintenance tips and tricks that I've learnt over the years. So at the moment in time we can't get on the bike, so it's a perfect opportunity to get your bike serviced. So before we start, I just wanted to do a quick rundown of some key items that you're really going to need in your toolbox. And one thing I always learnt is don't go out and buy a whole array of all the tools that you need because it'll cost you a fortune. Just buy the tools that you need for the job, and as you slowly progress and your skills improve and you start doing a little bit more technical things, you'll start to need more and more tools, and just buy them at that point. But there are some basics that you are going to need. So let's go through those now, okay? So first and foremost, the most important thing you can get for home maintenance for your bike, a bike stand. I think fundamentally it's the most important tool that you will have. It makes the job so much more easier when you're working at them at a height which is comfortable for yourselves. So please, invest in a bike stand. After that, there are so many tools out there, and there's a tool for pretty much every job you need. A lot of them you can have workarounds. There's a lot of hacks which I've found which actually work better, and they are super cheap, using scrap bits of old derailleur cable, for example. But we'll get to that later. So the first points you do need are a quality set of Allen keys. Every job that you're going to undertake on your bike will need Allen keys. So it's worth investing and spending a little bit more money and buying a quality set of Allen keys because they're going to last you that much more longer. After that, you're looking at the opposite is a torque wrench. Really cannot stress the importance of a torque wrench. We should not be tightening up bolts, especially on carbon frames, without a torque wrench. I'd hate for you to tighten a bolt, crack your frame or crack your handlebars, for example, because you've applied too much torque. So super important, get yourself a torque wrench. Can't stress that enough, okay? After that, you're looking at cable cutters, pliers, quick link pliers, chain cutters or chain splitters, and of course you need quality crosshead screwdriver and flathead screwdrivers of different sizes. So those essentially, although I've rushed through those, a couple of the things that you do need to start your bike maintenance toolbox off, and we'll go from there, okay? But can't stress it, bike stand, Allen keys and torque wrench. If you get those, you won't go far wrong, and then we'll build from there, okay?